Hello and welcome, or welcome back to the Summer of Self-Honor series. Again, this is our last week of the 4 weeks. So today's contemplation statement and lesson is this: emptiness holds the space for clarity and organization. So what that means in terms of self-honor is that when we are making self-honoring choices, it is very hard to do that when our head is full of noise. When we have so much going on in our lives that we can't even still ourselves for a moment. We need to empty. We need to empty out. And so what happens as we empty out is that we learn that we gain greater clarity. Because there's spaces to see now. We can see what we really have to work with. And then this leads to a greater ability to organize those pieces that are there. So when we are engaging higher mind to help us hold this space, to partner with us in a sense of clarity and organization, then we know that these choices we're going to be making are going to be ones that are in a much greater alignment and a higher calibrating, so to speak, choice when we are doing this. Because trying to make a good decision when your head feels like a fishbowl that's just been spun and have little particles of sand all over the place, right? You can't see or do much with that. And that's not how we want to spend our days and our lives. We want to live the self-honoring lifestyle. We want to be able to empty out, to gain clarity, to organize our life in the ways that make us feel the best. All right, so our contemplation statement, I would love for us now to just kind of focus on that. And if you would close your eyes and then just take a nice big inhale and a long, slow exhalation. All right, contemplation statement is this: emptiness holds the space for clarity and organization. And as you hold that in contemplation, notice the areas of your life that it kind of directs you to. And just be aware without judgment, just notice, be the witness. Just let it expand. Enjoy.